What's good, y'all? So I didn't enter this position just now. I entered at 7 o'clock once I noticed this hourly candle respecting the consequent encroachment of this fair value gap, which led me to believe, you know, um, London's manipulation was over, but we're still, you know, I think New York is manipulating London for a higher move up because Asia accumulated, New York manipulated. I mean, no, Asia accumulated London, manipulated it. Then yeah, New York is about to stop me out, and then probably continue higher. So yeah, that's on me because the bearish SMT was still intact, and I was like, yeah, manipulation is over on this 1 hour candle. SMT was still holding, so that was my fault for taking the trade against the SMT. Like predicting price is gonna do one thing when it was literally telling me one thing. So yeah, missing a good trade today. My fault. Like this, like I noticed the SMT while we were like all the way up here, but I let price come back down. What I did first was I let price come down. We have a fair value gap right here. Yeah, we had a, where was it? What made me enter? We had a fair value gap right here. It was somewhere. We had a fair value gap somewhere. I think right here. It closed over the consequent encroachment, and so I entered. I'm not gonna lie, that wasn't a good reason for entering, especially with SMT still intact. I was thinking that the move was over, so why not? But not gonna lie, New York Stock Exchange open mic, it I don't like how volatile it is. It's not unlikely that it won't stop me out. It's my fault for entering like super duper early. So yeah, at least this YouTube video won't be too long. I didn't start the video as soon as I didn't start the YouTube video as soon as I entered the trade. So yeah, this won't be a long video at all. And I don't know, like for this trade to invalidate, well, for this trade to stop me out, it will have to like invalidate the whole logic of, well, not really, like, never mind. Yeah, I'm already like, look at my P&L, guys. It's not that good. Try my best to, stay positive. But look, he did it to myself. So it's all cool. If I if I see a reversal after New York Stock Exchange open, I might re-enter. Yeah, I might re-enter, but that's only if I see uh, a continuation, not a continuation, but a reversal to the upside. So these are these are London lows. It looks like we're heading towards London lows. Then we have session highs. This is a consequent encroachment of a fair value gap. So yeah, guys, the reason I entered that was because we had a I didn't enter because we had a bearish SMT, but within the bearish SMT we made a low time frame bullish SMT, and I was like, we had a bullish SMT paired with respect of the consequent encroachment on this fair value gap, which led me to believe that the manipulation phase from the London was over. But you know, I entered during this candle, got stopped out on the next. So I learned my lesson. Just enter, later. Just enter later for real. Like my idea, like it looks like my idea. Well, I can't say that. I have to wait for a candle close and then the inversion of this. So yeah, price can just dump for real. So dump or pump. So yeah, just gonna wait. We're gonna wait a couple minutes. Damn, bro. Like imagine if I just followed my instincts and entered off the high time frame SMT. It's crazy. So we're not diverging on that sweep. Probably signaling. Uh, you know, could be continuation. Let's just see how things play out here. I don't know. It's cause like Asia, I was up. I was up at like 11, so I saw Asia manipulation playing out seemingly like perfectly, and then London manipulation playing out according to the AMD PL3 perfectly. So I don't know. Are we like gonna? We could. We can't like. We can 100% continue lower. Just gonna look for retracements. Retracements and then the reaction from the retracements. If we get like displacement above the consequent encroachment of the gap. I like to enter. Depending on what price does here, I'm willing to enter either way. So like, I don't know if I want to wait for like multiple candlesticks to tap into the fair value gap, or just like enter off this one. Like, I don't know, bro. Like, so hard to decide when these type of things happen. Like, I guess once if a break of structure happens, then I put my stop here, enter off that break of structure. That's the only like, and then aim for like lows. I don't know why my lines do that, but aim for lows right here. Once we get that break, if we get that break, looks like we're getting that break. Looks like we might be getting that break. Maybe, maybe not. So like, two good things can happen: a disrespect or displacement above the consequent encroachment and a break of structure. I mean, I don't know why I wouldn't buy there. And I don't know, we'd be at like, it looked like we'd be like slight midpoint if we enter there, which I don't think would be bad. Yes, she's at work. You didn't even look for her. You just woke up and just got out the bed. Go watch TV. I'm trading. Go watch TV or do something. So it's looking like a break of structure might happen. I don't want to prematurely enter because you never know. Oh, my stop is pretty wide. I mean, pretty tight. Oh, I thought it was gonna be wider than that, low key. I wanna wait. I didn't really like that. I wanna wait for a better entry. I didn't like that at all. How freaking tight it was. Pause. It's because these candlesticks are huge. So if we get a fair value gap, I wouldn't mind putting, like, if we close and get a fair value gap, I wouldn't mind it being on the fair value gap. That'd be awesome sauce. See, I'm gonna enter now. No, did I just enter twice? Bro. So yeah, I wouldn't mind having my stops there. I accidentally entered 2 times. 2 times the profit. If it goes right, right. Hopefully it does go right. If it doesn't, I'm low-key cooked. So yeah, that was on. Yeah. If it goes against me, I blow my account, guys. Freaking happens, bro. I mean, I can't say it happens. You know, it doesn't happen to you know people who are ready. It doesn't really happen to people who know what they're doing all the time in the market. So I can't say it happens, but I can say I can learn from it. Yeah, it's looking like I might get liquidated. Not looking too good for me. A 30% threshold. So if we at least respect this fair value gap, I'm cool. Hopefully we don't even like go there, cause like price is moving super volatile right now. If anything, it's looking like I should have just stayed in the position I was in. That's what it's looking like, cause this fair value gap would have protected me. That's what it's looking like. To be like, I won't say I'm fine with any outcome, but what can I do? I try my best. Um, you know, so price minimally, minimally. Seems like such a goofy word. Minimally taps into the fair value gap, barely. I want to say hopefully that's enough to send us skyrocketing. Like, of course, that's what I want price to do. I'm in a long right now. I'm in a long position. Of course, I'm gonna want price to do that. Just don't like. I want to be protected. I hope this fair value gap can protect me. That's all I'm asking for, Gangi. Oh, that wick. We didn't even get a break. We got a strong wick, bruh. That's not good. That's not good. That's really not good. This is the consequent encroachment of a fair value gap. It's really not a target. But like, if it were goofy moving my stop loss, because like, what are the chances of price moving in my favor and then moving against me? So like, what's even the point? That's what I feel like. But I will move them just in case. Oh yeah, back to what I was saying. I'm not saying I'm okay with blowing my account, but I've accepted the outcome because like I really can't do nothing about it, but get better. You know what I don't want to happen? Like just this get hits, then it just like that'd be so unfortunate. Like I feel pretty confident that if price, like if it's price intention to go higher, these are the targets. So why not leave them there? Not really. So like, we're making a. Okay, no, that's not a SMT. Okay, I thought that was this. I was like, I don't want to bearish SMT. Like I'm really not happy until my take profit gets hit here, cause like anything can still happen. So I'm not happy until my take profit gets hit. You good, bro? You good, bro? You in there coughing a lot? Okay. You want cereal? Alright, I'm finna make bro some cereal right quick. Okay. mark out the consequent encroachment of this gap, and if that gets a displacement beneath, I'd be enticed to sell. I don't think I placed it at the right one. Yes, bro. Why you keep calling my name? I said no. Just watch SpongeBob. I'm not finna come in there and change the TV for you like that. No, just watch SpongeBob. What'd you say? Oh, my fault, bro. I didn't know. Hopefully, we could bounce up from this consequent encroachment tap, but looking like it's not really what it wants to do with all this. And I really don't want to give up the profit that I have, but I'm confident what price can do. Wait, we're still holding bearish SMT, high time frame bearish SMT. Are we? This ES never came up. That's what those. So I would say I'm in a territory I don't like. My fault if y'all hear that flushing. You're welcome. I really don't want to give back the profit that I just had. You know, hopefully we can really, you know, we can really go to take profit here. Oh shoot, price went all the way here. I should have had it like near this area. I'm not trying to like sell too early though, but I'm not trying to miss out on profit either. Because we got a gap right here too. We just tapped into that gap, and we're reject. We, I mean, come on, man. What's the move? Oh, sorry guys, but what's up, man? What's the move? Trying to see what the market gonna do. I'm not trying to give back money, and I'm not trying to leave some on the table. So I'm in a spot here. Like you see what I mean, bro? Like we was at this highest point. Like, I really want to think patience. I guess it's freaking hard. Like I'm not trying to be greedy either. Like I'm genuinely like this is a good target too. Like now we could just inverse this and probably close above that. Okay, now I'm feeling a little more. I'm feeling better. I wouldn't be mad to King Profits right here. I low key want to. I don't want to go through no more psychological fight with profit securing. You know what I mean? It's too much. Especially like, bro, I was in 300 drawdown, bro. Like I'm not trying to go back. Like you know what I mean? Like just seeing this, just seeing that, it's just messing with my psychological. I'm low key thinking I should have took profit here already. Like, look at this. I should have. I freaking should have. I should have. Now price is probably finna come sweep early buyers. Freaking chest. I don't want to give this back up, bro. Like, but can you even be mad at me though? Like, we inverse this gap. We respect the CE of this gap right here. So like, I don't know what's really finna happen, bro. Like, if we get a close, if we get a close below this, I'm selling. Like I have to. Like I was hoping this trade would probably like erase my whole drawdown, but I was looking pretty skeptical. You know, it's just kind of new to me seeing this much money fluctuate. So my psychology it's really, it's low key all over the place. It's really hard trying to, stay composed. I'm trying my best to stay composed. I'm really trying, bro. Like it's just like I was up here like 200 something dollars. If I have to sell over here at like what, $90, that's kind of a, you know, unfortunate situation. Like potentially being closer to clearing your drawdown than just freaking not being that close anymore. This could just play out any faster. I mean, like, I'm trying to go freaking play the game, bro. BRB. bro. Oh my gosh, bro. That's that's crazy. That's fucking crazy, bro. That is fucking crazy, bro. What the fuck?